In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Notion dashboard more aesthetic. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautifully organized workspace that enhances your productivity while pleasing your eyes. We'll walk through these steps together, ensuring clarity and fun along the way. Let's jump right in by creating a new page in your Notion workspace. Open Notion and you'll want to navigate to the sidebar. There, click on the Add a New Page button. As you do this, think of this page as the blank canvas that you'll personalize and transform into a work of art. Now that you have your new page, click on a text box to begin editing. This is where you can express your creativity by composing the guiding elements of your dashboard. Next, it's time to give your page a title, a name that reflects the dashboard's purpose or your unique style. Simply type in the page's title in the text box provided. A clear, catchy title not only enhances aesthetics, but also sets the tone for what your dashboard represents. Now, if you're looking to organize your content in tables, type #database into the text box. This command will allow you to create different types of databases. After typing the command, choose Database Inline. This selection embeds a table directly within the page, making it easy to integrate and manage your data seamlessly. To maintain a cohesive look, you'll want to add icons that resonate with the theme of your page. So go ahead and click on the Add Icon option. This small touch can significantly elevate the aesthetics and make navigation more intuitive. For added functionality, consider inserting a calendar. Just type Calendar to activate the option, then click on Calendar View. This step is particularly useful if your page is meant for planning or scheduling. A calendar adds immediate structure and enhances the visual appeal. To further personalize your dashboard, add a cover image by clicking Add Cover. To change this cover, simply click on Change Cover and you'll have a wide variety of beautiful stock images to choose from. Alternatively, you can upload your own image for an even more personal touch. Click on an image you want to use to have it applied immediately. If you prefer using your own images, no worries. Type /image to import photos directly from your computer. Once selected, simply click Image to add your personal flair through visuals. Lastly, don't forget the treasure trove of inspiration available at the Notion Marketplace. This resource is invaluable for discovering ideas and themes that can inspire your next dashboard masterpiece. And there you have it, a complete guide to making your Notion dashboard aesthetic and functional. Thanks for watching, and happy Notion planning!